I guess it's part of the whole journey that we're heading on with you, Brevis, with the whole Te Ao Maori thing, and it's a cornerstone of that. So, coming from pretty basic knowledge, it's clear that it's understanding it properly is important. So, yeah, here we are. One of the biggest things that I can see as an observer is that there seem to be two versions of the truth, if there is one truth. And there's obviously a difference between what, like the one version and the other version. So it'd be nice to be clear as to one, what both versions are, and what the actual, where it should be. That it was pretty limited in terms of what it actually says and what it means. I mean, I obviously know it was signed up at Waitangi and all the stuff you learn in primary school. But in terms of the actual content and what the significance is, especially to Maori, and what their expectations are around it, it'd be good to get a better understanding of what all that is. I think most New Zealanders probably misunderstand what it means for both sides, and I think that's possibly on both sides as well. It's just a mismatch of expectation, I think, is where we've ended up, and it'd be good to get those expectations aligned. So you only do that through actually understanding what the other side is actually on about. It's not that obviously there are two sides because that's what a treaty is. It's I don't want to sound confrontational. It's I mean, obviously education is the key, or understanding. I mean, we went and had a look at the museum up in Waitangi, so it's just every New Zealander should go and have a look at that. It's pretty fantastic. But again, you don't really get an in-depth understanding of what the words are and what it all means. You get a feeling for the gravity of it and this history from that place, but I think you actually need a bit more than that to get some actual knowledge of what's sitting behind those words.